Hi everybody, Chris Knapp, Vice President, Sales and Alliances with Demand-Driven Technologies. So glad to have Philip Mogg with McElroy Manufacturing with me today.
It was Excel spreadsheets. It was all very manual.
There you go.
And that's ultimately what led us to try and find something different. The processes and tools that we were using were very manual, labor intensive, complex.
Okay.
So similar to DDMRP logic.
Right.
Not exactly. I wasn't aware of the philosophy until I came across Demand-Driven Technologies, actually.
So you were sort of modeling some of the stuff that
Exactly. But it was, again, it was laborious and manual, and we were ultimately utilizing MRP tools to execute that logic, which meant that we were ultimately planning to stock out. Because if you look at an MRP logic, it's ultimately taking you down to a stocking level of 0, right? So we're planning to stock out, and ultimately when variability happens, exactly. So flow is terrible.